I do use, though, victim, and I do so for a number of reasons. I do so because it reminds us that not all survivors, not all victims are survivors. In fact, a lot are not survivors, and I think it's really useful to kind of remind us of that. Second, that term survivor has a particular cultural resonance, white, middle-class American feminism, that is actually rejected by a lot of victims of sexual abuse, and who say, hang on here, I'm not a survivor, I'm a victim, that this has happened to me. And that sexual victimization is part of a much broader victimization in my life amongst the people I know in my community. And I just think that I like that. And when they, I used to use the word survivor, and I've totally changed my mind about it. I think, again, if people want to call themselves survivors, it forms a very important performative function, but also a real thing in real people's lives, and therefore can be important. But not all victims are survivors. And unfortunately, those who tend not to be survivors also are those who tend to be the poorer minority peoples in our communities. And they're the ones I actually work a lot more with.